Okay, so this is our spring door. This is a problem part because this screw is, the thread is stripped, so you cannot tighten it, and this part is too high, so it's fitting this part. And then this screw, the top one, was out. I don't know if that's adjustment or a screw. So I screwed it in because it was hitting the top part of the frame. Okay, so what happens is when you close it, this one doesn't lock. So you need to pound it like that for it to lock. Manong, Bin, you open it. It's okay. But when you close it from inside, top part doesn't latch. And also, we need the door closer because this one broke. So we need to change the bracket. So you cannot close this. Ben?
Yeah.
Can you take the video from here? You close it. Close it. You don't want to close it from inside. It's not locking, di ba?
Yep.
And then I need to pound it from outside. When I pound it from outside, can you pound it from inside? There, see? So it doesn't lock, right? Okay.